Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini. To begin, simply navigate to the Gemini platform, either through its dedicated website or an integrated application. Once there, you'll find a clear prompt box awaiting your input. The key is to articulate your request using natural, conversational language, just as you would when speaking to another person. This approach helps Gemini understand your intent and provide the most relevant and helpful responses. To get the best results from Gemini, focus on crafting effective prompts. Specificity is crucial. The more detail and context you provide, the better Gemini can tailor its output. Don't hesitate to experiment with various phrasings to see what yields the most accurate information. For larger, more intricate tasks, consider breaking them down into several smaller, distinct prompts. This iterative process often leads to superior outcomes. Gemini offers a wide array of capabilities beyond simple question answering. It excels at generating diverse text formats, summarizing lengthy documents, and even assisting with creative endeavors like writing stories or poems. Furthermore, Gemini can help with coding tasks, data analysis, and even understanding multimodal inputs such as images and audio. Its versatility makes it a powerful tool for many different applications, saving you valuable time. For advanced usage, always review Gemini's outputs critically. While highly capable, it's essential to verify information and refine responses to fit your exact needs. Providing feedback on its performance is also incredibly valuable, helping to train and improve the AI over time. By integrating Gemini thoughtfully into your daily workflow, you can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline various tasks, making your work more efficient.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.